Welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to create a sentiment analysis app using Streamlit. We are going to write our sentence in the web interface and then we are going to get our sentiment score on the screen. You can see the app that we are going to create from the screen right now. Let's start coding. I will be using Visual Studio Code in this app creation, but you can use any code editor that you want. And how we are going to start to our tutorial is I will start with sentiment Jupyter notebook creation. I will be showing you how we will get the sentiment scores and talk about the sentiment analysis thing in general firstly. Then we are going to create our Streamlit app. So let's say sentiment analysis. And let's talk about it firstly. Sentiment analysis is a technique in NLP used to determine the emotional tone behind a body of text. It classifies text into predefined sentiment categories such as positive, negative, or neutral. This technique is commonly used to analyze opinions, reviews, social media posts, and more to understand the overall sentiment expressed by the text. Okay, so we are going to have scores between -1 and 1, and -1 is going to be negative, and the value closer to the -1 means more negative the text, and 0 is going to be the neutral, and 1 is going to be the positive sentiment. And also, just like in the negative side, the value closer to 1 is going to be more positive, like 0.1 and 0.9. Which one is closer to being more positive? 0.9 is more positive compared to 0.1. They are both positive, bigger than 0, but this one we can consider it as more positive. You can think it like super positive, super negative, and the values closer to them are going to be our values that we can evaluate as more positive. And let's start coding it. So it's going to be pretty simple. We will be using textblob from textblob like this. And what we are going to do is, firstly, we are going to create a sentence. Like, let's say, I hate going to the beach. And now I'm going to say blob, and it's going to be equal to the text blob. I will give sentence in here. Next, I can give blob.sentiment like this, and our polarity score is 0.8. We can reach the score. It's going to be our decision support, like we can get the sentence polarity score like this, and our polarity score is closer to the -1 and it's negative. So our sentiment is negative on I hate going to the beach. Let's try with something else. So I will say I love programming. And now I'm going to make this sentence run. Then I will say this polarity score, now it's positive. So it seems like it's working perfectly. Let's try one more negative and positive example and then we can keep moving. So I will try something like I'm feeling good about being in here. So let's test it out if it's positive or not. Yes, it's positive. Great. And let's say I'm feeling really bad about being in here. I hope I wasn't this unhappy. Let's test it out. So it's negative, as you can see. So great, this is working perfectly. Now in the next step we are going to code a Streamlit app using these features. So we will say app.py, and in here we are going to start coding by importing Streamlit for sure. It's going to be a Streamlit web app. Then we are going to say from textblob import textblob, and then we are going to say streamlit.title. Let's say sentiment analysis app, and we can use divider. I use them a lot on Streamlit apps. I will say streamlit.write, enter a sentence to analyze its sentiment. Next, I will say user input, and I'm going to take a text input in here using Streamlit, text input, enter your sentence. Then I'm going to say if user input, which means if it's not empty, we are going to say blob is going to be equal to the text blob user input. Then we will say sentiment is going to be blob.sentiment.polarity. And next up, we are going to say if sentiment is greater than 0, then we will say Streamlit.write sentiment positive. And we can add a thing like this, and else if sentiment less than 0, we will say Streamlit.write sentiment negative. And we can add an else, like else sentiment neutral. And we can add something like this. Okay, so, and I'm going to add this one. Okay, so we have this right now. Also, we can add something like Streamlit.write sentiment score is going to be sentiment. And this is going to be our Streamlit app. So I'm going to save it right now. Then I'm going to say from terminal Streamlit run app.py. Actually, I made a typo. Streamlit run app.py, like this. Now a new browser page opened in my setted browser Safari. If it's not opened on your computer, you can just copy this URL in here and paste it in the browser for seeing the app we created. I'm going to be showing you right now. Don't forget to make a copy paste on this if it's not opened on your computer right now. So we have our sentiment analysis app in here. It's looking really good. Also, we can change its settings from here, like we can set it to white mode, or we can say light, dark, completely. It's our decision, and we can enter our sentence like, let's try, I am feeling unhappy because I am so tired. I definitely need to get some sleep. And I will press enter, and here is our sentiment. It's negative. Okay, it seems like it's working really good. And now I'm going to say, let's try, it's a beautiful sunset, really good to be in here and watching the sunset. And now our sentiment is positive. So let's summarize the code that we write for the Streamlit side, and then we can finish this tutorial. So we import Streamlit and we import textblob. Then I create the title as sentiment analysis app. Then I use Streamlit.divider for making app look better. And next up, we write enter a sentence to analyze its sentiment. We get the text input from user. Then we use, if the user input is not empty, we use textblob user input. We get the polarity score in here. Then we write a condition like if the sentiment is greater than 0, sentiment positive, sentiment is less than 0, negative, and else neutral. And then we write the sentiment score of that. And this is our Streamlit app. Thanks for watching. I'm sharing new data science videos every week on my channel. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also have a playlist named Streamlit Projects, where I have projects like this one. You can check that playlist from the cards of this video. Let's get to the outro. Thanks for watching this video on sentiment analysis app creation with Streamlit. I have a playlist named Streamlit Projects, where I have similar videos like this one. You can check that playlist for more videos like this. Have a great day.